Hey everyone, Madasa here. So today we will be doing a Crystal Sands Journey Book Guide. Journey Book Cheat Guide, to be accurate. Wait a second. I need my own cheat guide for now, because I'm very, very bad at this kind of stuff, and, well, yeah. I might as well be doing an Apondale cheat guide later. So, we will start in the corner, where the most obvious ones are. This pool, did you know that it was part of the journey book? This thing? So, the pool is tide pool. Wait, let me tell you later, because I need to catch this crab. Crab? Okay. There we go. Tide pools are pools of seawater along rocky shores that are completely underwater during high tide, but stay filled with water during low tide. Tide pools have amazing biodiversity, or lots of different plants and animals. Sea anemones, sea stars, sea slugs, and all sorts of other ocean life can be found in tide pools. And then I believe you guys know much about the crab already. Crab are decapods, which means they have 5 pairs of legs. Their front pairs of legs are claws. When a crab grows too big for its shell, the shell will split and allow the new shell underneath it to harden. Some crab species can run forward and backward, but some can only run sideways. Okay, that's a little sad, because they can only run sideways. And now we move on. Upstairs. Up. There should be actually, I'll show you the other stuff first. The ones that actually stay still. So there's a flamingo over here. You see that flamingo? It's part of the journey book. Flamingos are reddish pink in color because of the algae and small crustaceans they eat. Flamingos eat with their heads down and their bills upside down in the water to help suck in food. Plastic flamingos are a popular lawn ornament. In the United States, there may be more plastic flamingos than real ones. Yes, plastic flamingos are very, very popular. And very boring as well. I don't see why people like them. Sand dollar. When found on the beach, sand dollars are actually empty exoskeletons of a species of marine animal. Sand dollars can live up to 10 years. Their age can be found by counting the growth rings on their exoskeletons. Live sand dollars have spines covering their bodies that they use to move, breathe, and even eat. Very interesting, huh? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Lots more to go. So here are 2 more that stay still. The cacao tree. The scientific name of cacao trees are also called cocoa trees, means food of the gods in Greek. Cacao trees produce long pods filled with fruit called cocoa beans. Cocoa beans are dried, roasted, ground, and made into chocolate. But cocoa beans are very bitter as well. So, there. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a type of grass that produces a juice that sugar comes from. Because they might receive 80 to 90 inches of rain during the growing season, stalks of sugarcane can grow up to 17 feet high. Sugarcane is grown in tropical and subtropical areas all over the world. Very interesting, isn't it? And then we move on. Lizard. Green iguana. Green iguanas eat fruit, leaves, and flowers, and they spend almost all of their times in the trees. When threatened or scared, green iguanas will dive from their tree into the water below to escape. Green iguanas can grow up to 6 feet long and can live for 10 years in the wild. And then there should be a few things over here. Some things we'll just have to wait for, I'm afraid. Well, let's get over here. There it is. Centipede. There are almost 3,000 species of centipede. Centipedes have lots of legs. Some only have 14 pairs of legs and others have 177. In Latin, the word centipede means 100 feet. Centipedes hunt at night and blah 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 blah. I need to catch the parrot. Parrot, hello, don't run away. Macaw. Macaws are parrots that are known for their bright and vibrant colors. Macaws have large curved beaks that are powerful enough to crack hard nuts and seeds. Many macaws are kept as pets and can be taught to mimic or repeat words. And let's go back to the centipede. Centipedes hunt at night. They use their venomous claws to hunt spiders, insects, and even other centipedes. They're cannibals. So now we just have to wait for the tapir and the lizard. Oh damn, I went down the slide. I don't like going down the slide much. So we're just going to have to wait for the tapir and the lizard, it seems. It's very, very loud. But please ignore. Just please ignore. So we're just going to wait for the tapir as well as the iguana. I think it's an iguana, but it's tiny and it's a little dirty. Basilisk. Oh damn, basilisks. Okay, it's right there, okay? Basilisk lizards are best known for their ability to run across water. When they run, basilisks turn their legs like windmills. This creates tiny air pockets among the special scales they have underneath their long toes. These scales spread out as their feet hit the water, which helps basilisks on top of water. I'm very sorry, but it's really, really loud. Anyways, yeah, I'm sorry for the loudness. Very, very sorry. I suppose there's nothing we can do about it. I'm talking closer to the computer now, so hopefully you can hear me over all that racket, and we only have a few minutes left of the video, and I'm trying to wait for that tapir to come out. Hello? 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 Are you going? Aha! There it is. Tapir. Tapir. Though tapirs may look like a pig mixed with an elephant, they are actually related to rhinoceroses and horses. Tapirs have a short trunk that is prehensile, which means they can grab things with their trunks. Tapirs use the trunks to pluck leaves from trees, tree branches, and fruit off the ground. That's clever. So, we have finished our journey book. You may choose to pause at this point if you do not want any spoilers for the prize. I will be opening the prize in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Lemonade stand. So, the prize for the Crystal Sands Journey Book is as you can see, the lemonade stand. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe, and keep tuned for my next video. Bye bye.